Meaning of first school.
First school.
First school.
First school.
First school. The term first school can have different meanings depending on the context. In general, it refers to the first educational institution established in a particular location or region. For example, the first school in a city or state. It can also refer to the first level of education, such as primary school or elementary school. Additionally, it may refer to the first school that a person attends, such as their first experience with formal education. Overall, the concept of first school is tied to the idea of beginnings and the foundation of education.